How to show scroll bar on Samsung Internet Browser. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to show scroll bar on Samsung Internet Browser. First thing, go to the browser and now click these three lines in the bottom corner and click settings. Now click web page, view and scrolling, and here you will find it scroll bar, and if you want to show it just select left or right, and after you select it then just go back, it will be saved. And as you see, that's how to show it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.